Ready to zap your videos into a whole new dimension of awesome with energy-based special effects. First things first, open Adobe After Effects and create a new composition. Set your desired resolution, frame rate, and duration, keeping in mind you'll want a canvas that shows the entirety of your effect. Next up, let's create a new solid layer. Choose any color you like, or even a fun gradient. This will be the foundation for our Saber effect. Now, search for the Saber effect in the Effects panel and apply it to your solid layer. Expand the Customize Core section. Play around with the preset types and the core size. Experiment with the render settings to find what looks the best for your effect. Time to bring it all to life. Keyframe the start and end parameters to control the flow of the Saber effect. Remember, this is how we're making it. Play with the glow intensity and glow spread for some seriously electric visuals. Want to add to your video? You can easily add the effect to text layers or even mask out parts of your footage. Just apply Saber and customize accordingly. This effect is extremely versatile. And there you have it, a quick guide to creating awesome energy-based effects using the Saber plugin in After Effects. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more VFX tutorials and show us your creations using #SaberEffect.